Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to make this cute wall decor DIY. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is just to trace out your cutouts or templates, whatever you're using. I've drawn these butterflies and I'm just copying these on different sheets. I've chosen pastel colored sheets because I like the colors, and you can choose any colored sheets. Once you're done with the tracing work, you just have to put tape in the middle of these butterflies so that they don't tear up later on. And you can also cover these completely with tape. I've not covered them completely, but I have just put in tape in between. Once you're done with all the tracing work, then you just have to cut all of them out and paste them on your wall. Here you'll notice that I've not chosen the orange one because it just wasn't matching with other colors. Anyways, it looks really simple and cute. If you have given it a try, then make sure to comment me down below. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel for more videos like these and give it a thumbs up. And you can also share it with your friends if you like this video.